हॅलो चिल्ड्रन्स, आज मी तुमच्यासमोर घेऊन येत आहे इयत्ता 4थीचा इंग्रजी हा विषय. या विषयाचे मार्गदर्शन करण्यासाठी आपल्यासमोर येत आहे श्रीमती मृणालिनी मधुकरराव पाटील, प्राथमिक शिक्षिका, जिल्हा परिषद प्राथमिक शाळा हायवे वस्ती, केंद्र कोकणगाव, तालुका निफाड, जिल्हा नाशिक. प्ले इज आवर ब्रेन्स फेवरेट वे ऑफ लर्निंग. बालमित्रांनो, इयत्ता 3रीत असताना तुम्ही खूप साऱ्या इंग्रजी कविता, राईम शिकलात. आज देखील तुमच्यासमोर एक छान इंग्रजी कविता कृतीयुक्त पद्धतीने शिकवली जाणार आहे. कवितेचे नाव आहे वी विल ऑल जॉइन इन अ सर्कल.
Hello my dear students, how are you all? You all are fine. It's good. I'm also fine. So, we learn the subject English, Unit 1, lesson number 1. In this lesson, we learn action song. Do you know action? No? Or yes? Okay, last year you learned some action words. Do you remember it? Yes, run, dance, walk, write, read, sing. These are some actions. So students, I will show you some cards. You read with me. Standing, playing, swimming, dancing, walking, singing, writing and sitting. These are some action words. Okay, can you do with me that actions? Good. Run, dance, write, read, sleep. Okay, good. You practice that action words so we can learn the action songs. Are you singing with me? La 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 la. We'll all join in a circle, we'll join in a circle, we'll all join in a circle and sing a song or two. La 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 la. We'll join hands together, we all join hands together, we all join hands together and sing a song or two. La 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 la. We'll clap hands together, we all clap hands together, we all clap hands together and sing a song or two. La 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 la. We'll all dance together, we all dance together, we all dance together and sing a song or two. La 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 la. We all turn around together, we all turn around together, we all turn around together and sing a song or two. La 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 la. We all sit down together, we all sit down together, we all sit down together and sing a song or two. La 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 la. We all be quiet together, we all be quiet together, we all be quiet together. Now our singing is through. La 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 la. Thank you. So we learn this action song. Then in this song the hard words are I'm writing on the blackboard. So so students read with me. Together. Together means with each other. Each other means ekatra. Down. Down means lower level. Lower level means khali. Quiet means no noise, means गप्प बसणे. end. मधून. So, students, are you enjoy this song? Very good. Then you practice this action song and sing with your parents, your brother and your sisters. Thank you.